Hi everyone, I just put together my latest video. I was out on Lake Travis last week. This is from Sunday, December 8th. Went out with my friend Tony. Haven't been on Lake Travis for about 11 months, so just heading out, put in at the Tatum boat ramp in Paceman Park. Gonna stay in the area, just move around Paceman, check some of the creeks, and see how the fish are biting today.
Hey!
Good quad.
Hold on, big boy. Oh, you could have used that one.
Yeah, oh yeah.
In the Palooza,
Dude,
man.
that was the, that's that color. See, it's got a little more green in it, Dave.
Water temperatures on Travis right now are 60, 61 degrees up in the Paceman Park section of the lake. I did go into some of the creeks in this area here, saw some bait fish hanging out in the middle of the creeks. Last year, I fished around these areas and I caught a couple largemouth over 5 pounds throwing a big spinnerbait. And I caught some smaller largemouth throwing a Ned rig. So today I'm just trying to figure out how they're biting. Catching a lot of Guadalupe bass early in the morning here.
Maybe it's a 13.5. I don't know. But he ate the spinnerbait, dude.
Look out. Don't let 'em.
Yeah, I got one.
Boy. On your little crank.
Yeah, big wad. Another big wad.
Crank anchor.
What do you think about that one?
That's a toad.
Quads. Everywhere today. Quaddy. Oh, that's way too shallow. Yep, there it is. This may be a largemouth.
Guadalupe bass are
Man, I'm in
the
'em.
only native Texas species of bass that we have in the state. It's rare to catch one over 14 inches. They're small, they're very aggressive, and they fight really hard for their
Hold on, buddy.
size.
I'm
They're
not gonna
fun
let
to
you get
catch.
me. I know you're gonna be the one that gets it. Yeah, Guad. Killing him.
Toader.
Yeah, big thing.
Spinnerbait.
Another quad.
Damn, dude.
A 3/4 ounce spinnerbait.
You should have been keeping them. You could have had yourself a nice snack. Yeah.
We did locate some largemouths later in the morning. We went into a creek Found some bait fish swimming around in the middle of the creek.
Largemouth.
I caught this one off a dock, but then we just started fishing deeper bluff walls in this creek, and we caught a limit of keeper-sized largemouths. Our biggest was probably around 3.5 pounds.
It's regular 200.
Yeah, you
It's pretty good stuff, dude. Get him, yeah! Get him, Dave! We're killing this creek! Oh, good one.
did. Yeah.
Good one, dude. 2.5 or... 2.5
Oh,
or...
he's better than that. Nope.
2 3/4. 2.6.
Yeah.
2.7.
Wencil Outdoors.
Wencil Outdoors!
What's on the...
Nice jigger crawl. Jigger crawl.
Don't tell Bennett about my spots, man. Don't tell him I took you. I didn't really want to bring you in here, but I thought since we hadn't fished for a while, I would put you on some fish.
Is that the deal?
Yeah, don't be telling Charles
Tell anybody, man.
about... I'm just kidding. But that's a good one. Whoa, he's barely got it. All right.
Oh,
Yeah,
he didn't barely have it. He
we-
had it.
we found him.
Good.
You need some pliers?
Oh, I got it.
Well, you'll have to wait because I got one too. It's a good
Look out!
one. What's this?
Oh!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a 3-pounder. Told you we were gonna whack them. I bet like 10 pounds wins Jared's deal.
Look at this dude. All right, ready?
Yeah! There's a 3. Woo! Wencil Outdoors! Woo!
That's a good one, right?
Hell yeah, that's 3.
All right.
Well, somebody came up with something for make a net. Get him?
Oh, it's tiny.
Thinker.
Trap shot.
Look out! Look out! Crankbait again! What? Woo! Good one, dude. That's a tank wad. Look at the head on him. Head rig.
Yeah.
Greg's demo boat looks like Ooh, there's a good one there.
Yeah.
Head rig. That's a decent fish.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's tugging. Pulling some drag, man. This is serious. This is what we came for. This is what we... Woo.
Last minute.
Woo. Oh, drag puller. He's serious. Yeah.
Because they're eating quads.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Choked him. Yeah. Oh, he boat flipped it.
high, isn't it? Now deep.
It was a good day. I had a lot of fun. We caught a bunch of fish. Started out in the morning catching Guadalupe Bass, and then later on in the day we started to get into the largemouth bite. The fish were biting moving baits in the creeks,
Yeah, fun.
3/4 ounce
Got
spinner
another one.
bait, medium diving crankbait.
Keeper.
Here at the end, I got into a flurry throwing a
They're not
Ned
loaded in
rig.
here
This
though.
is the big TRD. I'm just throwing it up against a bluff wall with a deep drop off,
Is
and
that
they
one
are
deeper too?
quick to
Yeah.
attack it. I'd like to say thanks to everybody who has subscribed. Thanks to everybody for watching my videos. I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner and you'll be able to see all my future videos. I really appreciate it. Thanks again, everybody. Good luck, and I'll see you out there.